Good evening from here in London. So just seen that closing bell on Wall Street. Equities finished higher for the session. What has been quite a headline-driven and volatile trading day. Some of what we've seen in the early US trade, we did have some comments from the senior German official that the ESM and the FSS won't be able to be run simultaneously, so this set a bit of a risk-off tone in euro-dollar and in E-mini S&P as well. DAX futures dipping below the 6,000 level. And then in the US session, it was pretty quiet for most of the day. However, much later on in the day, did see the S&P revise the outlook on the EU's AAA rating, as well as many European banks and cities and European states as well. So it does seem across the board now from S&P on this credit watch negative ahead of Friday's key summit. And then just ahead of the closing bell, we did see a story out of Nikkei Newswires that the IMF may seek around 600 billion from the G20, so saw a bit of a bid tone into the closing bell as E-mini S&P really went for the stops with locals caught short, and there's some covering seen out of that, some real money buying touted as well. So most of the focus will be ahead of tomorrow's key risk events, so it does see the start of the EU summit. Not really expecting any particular results until Friday. However, we'll be keeping a firm eye out for any headlines and rumours that stem from the global markets. It is also worth noting there are two other key events tomorrow. We have the ECB rate decision, where we're widely expecting a 25 basis point cut in the European benchmark rate to 1%. There's also Mario Draghi's press conference to look forward to as well. We also have those EBA stress test results. That's expected around 5 o'clock London time tomorrow evening. So that'll be another key risk event to look out for. So that's it from us for the day. I hope you have a great evening. We'll see you again tomorrow.